Hello. I just want to do a little bit of how I do my thumbnails. Apologies if you can't hear me. I'm also watching Limited Life from Martin's perspective. I've been watching the live series non-stop because I'm kind of just bored. So my favorite brush to do for my thumbnails is the blurring brush. The blurring brush 1. And then we go, oh, no, close. Then we go around the outlines. There goes Brett Bridge. We go around those. And then you copy that color, go lighter than it. And then sometimes over a few times. Like that. And then we're going to get this color again. Make sure it's the one we want. Repeat this for this side. I've basically almost finished green here. I've just been making thumbnails. And then blue there. Like that. Then like this. And we do this with several different parts of the character. Like greens should be done here. Oh, I guess since it's showing their entire. Oh, we want to do more. What? Okay. Oh, you can't really tell. We do it a few times. I mean, it's just simple stuff. Now we move on to beautiful friend Scar here. Go lighter.
Look in the mirror, it's right behind you. You look like a toad.
Okay.
Stupid right now. You look so stupid. God, that guy's so good. Oh, nailed it. But I am down an enchanter, which is very sad. But it's now made the hit list. You look like Joel. Oh, don't say that. No, it's seaweed. The ocean's overgrown me. I don't like it. No. I'm not a bad boy. I'm a dad boy. I wear Crocs and I've got a big belly and. Okay. You don't look like Joel. Joel looks like you. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, there we go.
That he's not.
Sorry.
Like 5 years older than me. Or lie to the audience for that. There's the bad boy.
Okay, we are almost done with this. I love that line. If you could be an absent father, why can you be at least absent?
Oh, that is top notch. God. Why have been over here with Scar the whole time? Blame your son. That was really a I don't need no man situation. That was brutal. My eyes sting from just tearing up. Oh, we stealing a frog from
Okay, we also. Yeah, it's kind of odd.
You need girls? Bad boys? We unite. Let's move. Let's go. Oh God, I'm glad you know what's happening. Oh my word. Okay, yeah, sure. That felt powerful. Let's go. That felt scary. That felt good. I can taste my
See, yeah, I think that looks good. Oh, his hair.
I've got these on me, don't worry. Nice. I only have that.
Ooh, actually, my favorite brush on IBIS Paint. I don't know how to say it. That's how I've always said it.
You wanted to call some time and take Judy next week? I won't call it Carly. Well, yeah, this Carly could be the bridge. I had it. Oh, yeah. Do any of these work? Oh, they do! Oh my gosh! long that was.
Oh, I don't think I've ever done this part when doing a thumbnail because I don't think it was ever showing enough for me to do.
They got gravel. I had 6.
I haven't got any.
Look, we set at the bottom of this, but we can't get control down. Yeah, I'm gonna have water. Okay.
That's so funny.
That's gonna backfire on them one day. It was down here.
Then we should be just about done with this thumbnail, and I don't think I have more thumbnails to make for now. Sometimes I forget I can do it with those since my characters actually have a red tint to them. And there we go. Now we want to save the image. Oh, my YouTube's already open. Go to the video. This one is for the I Do Not Forgive You video. Click on it.
No, we did that already. Oh, she also killed the frog. Oh, that's fine. I don't mind that at all.
Save. Save. There we go. These are all thumbnails I really feel like doing right now.